to you, Greg, and talk about top priorities for Pure Storage. Number one priority for you this year.
It's an interesting question. It's an interesting time, right? Because those changes a couple times a year, depending on when you ask me, right? But right now, what we're really focused on is seeing a lot of mandate on the change in, approach to acquisition, meaning can we adopt a model that is really eliminating technical debt, which we've actually found when you look at the cybersecurity lens as data protection has merged together with network security and not really just being perimeter based anymore. How do we have a more operationalized way to not just procure, but also iterate and grow without blowing out the budget, right? Understanding how the federal acquisition model works and adopting a more modernized approach. So how do we do that? It starts with the baseline of framework of having consistency in operation capabilities all the way across the platform and giving consistency at scale all the way across, your entire data landscape. Now, how do we do that? Number one is making sure any tools we push out on the platform can be consumed the way the agencies need to consume it, working with our FSI partners as well, and understanding these models that can be value add across larger programs. Most importantly, it's about giving predictability, right? That's the biggest thing in the world of the unknown that is cybersecurity is having a way to have some sort of predictability and consistency of iteration is really insanely invaluable to any sort of organization, whether it's very, very mission focused, whether it's really just saying, hey, I'm aligning to this principle within ZTA, or if it's I'm trying to iterate faster on PQC because something happens overnight, right? I think that's the scariest part of PQC for everybody is something could happen overnight and all of a sudden it's log4j all over again. I heard someone say log4j and I had a little shake off camera there, so I had to shock me back into reality.
Sure.
But I say all that to say it's really about how can we help agencies not only eliminate technical debt, but at the same time, iterate down that path for modernization, iterate down a more programmatic approach versus, hey, we're going to refresh this, go XYZ, put it out the bid, and making sure that everything is consistent over a 3 to 5 year span. And from the data lens, 5 to 10 years, that's a lifetime, especially in refresh cycles. But that is the path we're putting forward for a lot of our larger agencies and customers.